So I've said for a very long period of time that Shiba Inu is going to be the best performing coin in the top 20. And frankly, this hasn't changed. In fact, I think these current trends are showing and confirming that even further. And frankly, it would not surprise me if Shiba Inu is the surprise coin, especially the surprise blue chip of this bull market cycle. And there are some specific reasons why. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. We'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. When we look at Shiba Inu, I think there is a big misunderstanding when it comes to Shib, right? Some people want Shib to perform like other assets. It doesn't for some reasons I'll get into in this video. Frankly, right now, Shiba Inu is a blue chip asset. It's been in the top 20 since the height of the last bull market cycle, and it's probably never going to leave the top 20. And in fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it climbs into the top 10. So right now, the interesting thing about Shiba Inu is it is an almost $9 billion market cap, but it has the potential to act like a $100 million market cap. This is where things get very interesting. Now, I don't want to sound like a parrot or just, sound like my content gets redundant or things like that. And I know we've talked about this before, the available Shib on exchanges. But the trend that is happening for Shiba Inu, while it may look like, oh yeah, this is the case for all other assets in the space, it's not. It's drastically different than what we're seeing from some of the other top assets in crypto. For example, you guys take a look at what BTC has been doing. This is just since October of 2021. And although there has been recently a reduction in the available supply on exchanges from basically June of 2023 on, the trend isn't quite the same. Okay. It's slowly but surely working its way to the downside, but not like Shiba Inu is. Let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum supply is slowly but surely working its way to the downside, but not at the rate that Shiba Inu is. Let's look at XRP. XRP actually on the rise right now, on the rise since early 2024, which isn't surprising. Some people are moving supply to exchanges. We know that obviously the co-founder has moved some supply to exchanges, things like that, right? So it's not acting like Shiba Inu is. So why does Shib have such a drastic difference in its trend than other tokens? First of all, price. Price is a big reason why. 4015 is a cheap token in terms of crypto. Most people getting into the space for the first time, when they see Shib, it's a cheap coin, right? There's a very drastic difference between a $64,000 coin and a 4015 coin, which is a more retail adoption driven coin. What is the retail focus, especially people getting in with $10, $100, $1,000? What are they more looking at? The cheaper coin, more opportunity, more growth for upside potential, right? That's what they look at. And another reason why this is people have a long-term mindset when it comes to Shiba Inu. Most people aren't willing to sell their Shib for anything below some of the prices that some people think are unrealistic. A cent, 10 cents, $1, $10, whatever it may be, right? It's prices that some people think that Shib may never hit. Well, the thing is when supply continues to get removed from exchanges, some of those unrealistic prices become a lot more realistic. So those are some of the big reasons why Shib is following this trend that most other tokens are not. In fact, this is a trend that you typically see from $100 million market caps, $10 million market caps, $1 million market caps. And you more so see it in LPs, LP getting removed. Stuff that's not available on, or that isn't even on centralized exchanges yet. This is the trend that you see. So what's interesting about this is the more this trend plays out, the faster Shiba Inu can move, the faster Shib can pump. Again, today, like I talked about earlier, Shib right now, this pump that we're on is on normal transaction volume. It's not done by any big swings. It's not done by any big whale movements. But what happens when new capital starts entering the space again? Where does Shib price go? Well, again, guys, we're at another, go figure, record low in terms of Shiba Inu available on exchanges. And again, this trend is 24 trillion Shib less than when Shib went on its run at the end of February into the start of March. Okay. The thing is this trend is going to get exacerbated as we move deeper into the market cycle, as there is more capital entering the space, as there are more long-term and long-minded Shiba Inu holders entering the space for the first time. Shib adoption rate is high, and it will continue to be high as we get into times where more people are coming in. That's the reason why I think Shib is going to be the surprise coin when it comes to this market cycle. I think it's going to surprise a lot of people. It's going to climb into the top 10. It wouldn't surprise me if it really has a shot at running towards the top 5. But when we talk about coins that can last from cycle to cycle to cycle to cycle, Shiba Inu is showing that it's that coin. It's that guy. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.